Recently, European equities outperformed the S&P 500 by 18.4% in dollar terms, which is the most in the past 3 decades. When the Indian and US markets were going through their worst period, what caused the European markets to rally? And if the European markets get back on track due to the recent 90-day tariff pause announced by the President Trump, how can you benefit from it? So, stay till the end if you are looking for a way to diversify your portfolio into the European markets. Because in this video, we will be discussing the best US-based ETFs with the exposure in the European markets that can help you make massive returns. But before that, let's dive into the reasons behind the recent rally in the European markets. Key reasons behind the rally. First up, attractive valuations. A market doesn't go up on its own. Numerous investors looking for the real value put their money into the markets. But what motivates them to do so? Well, it's the attractive valuations, and that's what happened in the European markets as well. For over a decade, European stocks have been trading at the discount to the US equities, which has now attracted investors looking to grow their capital. Second is changes in monetary policy. As the inflation rate is reducing, the European Central Bank is expected to decrease the interest rates, which is another driving force behind this rally. Along with this, Germany is taking a new fiscal initiative which includes a 500 billion euro infrastructure investment fund. Now, due to this expenditure on infrastructure by the government, there is a possibility of an increase in demand which will eventually revive Germany's economic growth. Third, economic recovery signs. Another reason behind this rally is the signs of economic recovery. The S&P Global recently released purchasing manager indexes for major economies. Now, the PMI tells us the trends of the manufacturing sector, like the expected growth and the current scenario. And this time, the prediction for Germany has been the best since September 2022. Along with this, due to the increased domestic demand, many stocks saw a huge increase in their share price. For example, as of 26 March 2025, there has been a 37% year-to-date surge in BNP Paribas, which is a huge spike in less than 90 days. Fourth, weakening US economy. The return of President Trump hasn't been good news for the US markets, and the reason behind it is high tariffs. Though the tariffs came as a huge blow to countries worldwide, none was as affected as the US. If we look at the numbers, the S&P 500 lost 10.5% of its value just 2 days after the tariff announcement. Also, there's a constant fear of stagflation due to these high tariffs, which can result in slower economic growth. Now, like India VIX tracks the volatility in Indian markets, we have CBOE VIX to measure the volatility in the US markets. And if we look at the year-to-date growth on CBOE VIX, it's around 172% as of 9th April 2025, which means the markets have been highly volatile for the past few months. Even billionaire Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is holding a cash of more than $300 billion. And probably that's why investors are flocking to the European markets, which justifies its recent stock market rally. पर इन्वेस्टमेंट से पहले किसी भी मार्केट के प्रोस के साथ ही कॉन्स जान लेना जरूरी है. So let's see the other side of the story, the risks and the challenges for investors in the European markets. The biggest risk of all is the high tariff. On 2nd April 2025, US President Donald Trump announced a reciprocal tariff of 20% on European Union. Now, this also threatens the trade relations between the US and the European Union. To give you context, the US and the EU are each other's biggest trading partners, and in 2024, the US total goods trade with EU was $975.9 billion. And the tariff announcement will surely affect the ongoing trade between the two economic giants. Now, the European stock markets are going through a rough patch for the first time in the past 8 months after the tariff announcement from US President Donald Trump. Now, if you are looking to explore the European markets, then the wait is over. Because now we will be revealing 3 US ETFs with European exposure. Number 1. iShares MSCI Europe ETF. It's a broad European ETF that gives you access to a large part of the European markets, and it has generated a return of 13.92% year to date, while the Indian markets managed to gain only 0.46% over the same period. Now, here are the top 5 holdings of this ETF by weightage. Number 2, iShares MSCI Europe Financials ETF. It has generated a return of 23.93% year to date as of April 18, 2025. It tracks the MSCI Europe Financial Index, which is a market cap-weighted index that measures the performance of financial sectors of different countries in Europe. And these are the top 5 stocks by weightage in this ETF, with HSBC leading the pack. Number 3, iShares MSCI Germany ETF. Now, the European markets have outperformed the global markets, but Germany has clearly outshined others. So, if you are looking to invest in Germany, you can check the iShares MSCI Germany ETF. It's a country-specific ETF which tracks the large and mid-cap segments of the German equity markets. It has generated a return of 18.43% year to date as of April 18, 2025. And here are its top 5 holdings, with SAP SE having a weightage of 16.17%. So these are the top 3 US ETFs with European exposure that you must check out. Also, we recommend investing as per your risk appetite and always doing the due diligence before investing your money in any asset. अब क्या हाई टैरिफ्स इसी तरह यूरोपियन मार्केट्स को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट करेंगे या हमें मार्केट में पुल बैक देखने को मिलेगा? जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताओ।
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.